One-line conveyor system. 2 sensors and 2 pusher device. 2 sizes of box will be segregate in one process. Programmed in Siemens TIA Portal software. And simulate at factory out. Are you ready? So let's begin. Okay, let's take a look first the sequence operation of the conveyor. We have 2 conveyor connected together, conveyor 1 and conveyor 2. There are 2 pusher device on the side of the conveyor. Each pusher device has a diffuse sensor. Diffuse sensor will sense the size of the box being carried by the conveyor. When diffuse sensor sense the object, it will send signal to pusher device to move, and that will be the sorting process. Depends on the position level of the sensor, you can determine which box sizes will be sorted in pusher device 1. As you can see, the sensor line almost reached the top of the big box, meaning big boxes will be sorted in pusher device 1. Small size boxes is below the diffuse sensor ray, so it will pass the pusher device 1. At the pusher device 2, diffuse sensor setting is near the base of the pallet. Meaning, the small boxes will catch by diffuse sensor pusher device 2, and this device will sort the small size boxes. Okay, let's make the PLC program ladder. First, we will run conveyor 1 and conveyor 2, by adding an open contact for start push button. And we will put a set coil for conveyor 1 and 2. When we energize start push button open contact, conveyor 1 and 2 will run. Enable to stop the conveyor, we will add a network, and we will put closed contact for stop push button. And then a reset coil for conveyor 1 and 2. When stop push button closed contact energized, it will open and cut off the power so conveyor 1 and 2 will stop. So the conveyor now is ready to run. Next program is for diffuser sensor 1. When big box is sensed by the diffuse sensor, pusher device 1 will activate. Let's add an open contact for diffuse sensor, followed by negative trigger function, and set coil for pusher device 1. For network 4, open contact for pusher device 1 front limit, followed by positive trigger function, and reset coil for pusher device 1. In setting up the sensor for pusher device 2, we will make the same program, but instead of pusher device 1, we will make it pusher device 2. So that's our program. Let's compile the program and simulate. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Every time you hit a like button, you help us growing our channel. Subscribe as well to notify you when there's new video uploaded. Thank you very much and have a good day.